Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create and save styles for your diagrams and flowcharts on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to that example diagram project here and start with a new page. So let me add an element and show you how you can customize the element style and save it. So let me add, for instance, an ellipse. And now you can, for example, move it across your canvas, position it, connect it with other elements, and so on and so forth. So here to the right, guys, you will see the Style tab. Click into it and go through these settings. You may, for example, customize the color of these connectors. You may, for example, make the line or connector visible or not show it by enabling or disabling this option. Then you may choose between a sharp, round and curved connector. And yeah, you can do this also for any other element. For example, for the ellipse, click into Style here and do the same. You may customize the fill color, choose gradient and the opacity, the color here to the right. And it depends on the element you select with your left mouse. In any case, guys, what you need to do is navigate to the Style tab once the given element has been selected. And here, go through these settings, and then once that's done, set, for example, you may set the style as default, or copy it, or edit it, and for example, copy it as text. And if I, for example, copy the style here, I will be given the opportunity to apply it also to other elements. And yeah, that's basically it. If I set it to default by using that button or the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D, this will become, with these settings here, this will become the default style for similar elements I add in the future to my canvas. That's it. As you can see, guys, now I can paste the style here, and that would apply the style I just copied the step before. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.